Chiropractic, what a profession. Now, whether you're a chiropractor yourself or you just love the chiropractic community, I wrote Adjusting for Leadership to showcase this great profession through one man's journey. Now, my goal was to recognize us for not just being healers, but we're also entrepreneurs, we're leaders. Now, why is that important? Well, in school, I was told, look to my right and look to my left, because 2 out of 3 chiropractors were going to fail. Why? Because we're taught in school to be exceptional physicians, but we are not taught to be business people, entrepreneurs, and more importantly, leaders in our communities. The main character's journey in this book is not an easy one. This is meant to be a reality check. Now, I've heard you're supposed to be called to be a chiropractor, and I believe that with all my heart because it is very, very difficult. But if you are able to make an impact, if you are able to have success and fulfillment through your patients and in your community, there is nothing like it. So I hope you enjoy this chiropractic journey in Adjusting for Leadership.